Last week I was showing them to a brother and sister. This is Harley with a darker face. This is Hazel, the girl from my mom's house, and some nice walks we had. But this is their reality. This is where they live. They were living with their mom and their brother, who's luckily adopted already in UK. And she is calling him rotten and showing him what the word is, and those two are just longing here, bored. Hazel, Harley, they don't get any walks. All that they get is just the food and water and a little bit of cleaning. There is no running water. They cannot be let out because this is not fenced area. This is actually a locked store garage for heavy equipment, and at least we could have the kennels here so they to be safe. Harley, Hazel. You're so excited now. What's your mom? Do baby do. Do Harley, какой мама? Harley, что мама здесь сидит? Валенция. Hazel. Harley, тихо, мама здесь сидит. Kasi kuku mama giving kisses to the phone. Harley, Harley, Harley. And Hazel. They're in opposite. Her back is darker, his face is darker. And they don't stay still, so I have to show you. You see? This is the girl. This is the boy. They're 6 months old now. We know them since almost being born. They've been rescued very early. Actually, they've been dumped together with the mom. And the mom is adopted in Austria. Harley, Kuku Pisane. They have a funny face and actually good personality because for the time that they were in my mom's house, we did a lot of tests and they've been doing good. Still not so clean completely with the toilet, but then it's my fault because I didn't have all the time as usual to devote to their training to this. But otherwise, didn't make noises when alone. Yes, they were taking some stuff now and then, but nothing harmful. In general, nothing was chewed. Now you could see. Again. I spoiled their feeling. So if you feel like you like some of those cute faces to become your family member, please contact us. They're healthy, never been ill, never been injured, they're fully vaccinated, and if they stay a little bit longer they may get castrated too, but for now they are not. Because far too young. We're gonna play a little bit. So drop the camera.